Welcome to qnawire.
In a nuclear reactor, neutrons play a very important role in starting the reaction and continuing the reaction. So in a reactor, there are fuel rods. That provide the initial source of neutrons. They produce neutrons quickly. So to maintain the neutrons in the reaction, there are several different components that help to regulate and make the reaction as efficient as possible. When the neutrons are produced, they're within something called a moderator. The purpose of the moderator is to slow down the neutrons and keep them where the reaction is. This makes the reaction more effective. There's also something that surrounds the moderator called the reflector. The reflector bounces or reflects neutrons back, keeping them in the moderator and where the fuel cells are, where the reaction occurs. Finally, there's a way to regulate the reaction rate, which means that we can increase or decrease the reaction rate. And there are additional rods called control rods that are placed in the reactor along with rods. The control rods move up and down as needed to regulate the rate. So this means we can either increase the reaction rate or decrease, depending on where the control rods are. These different, the reflector, the moderator, and the control rod, all help regulate and make the chain reaction in a nuclear reactor as effective as